So this is the size of the baby's stomach on day 1. It's quick to fill and quick to empty. So it's very important to make sure you feed your baby 8 to 12 times a day, every day for the first couple weeks. As your baby gets bigger, they'll start spacing out their feedings a little more. It's normal for them to eat every 1.5 to 3 hours.
They are so needy in the beginning. They cry so frequently and you just question whether or not you're doing the right thing or whether you have enough for them. And you do have enough for them. You just have to have the faith and you have to take care of yourself and relax and drink and eat and take care of yourself. And then you have enough milk for them. And
by day 3, this is the size of the baby's stomach. It holds about 1 ounce. So you can see in the first 3 days, they need a very small amount of milk. So day 1, day 3. Each day they're stimulating more production, so you start producing more. So that by day 10 even, you're making about 2 ounces, okay, which would be the size of about an egg. So think about the size of their stomachs and the amount of milk you're making. You're not going to feel a huge difference in your breast for the first few days. As your milk comes in, your breasts are going to start feeling fuller and heavier. To know your baby's getting enough, it's important to make sure you're counting wet diapers and bowel movements. Most hospitals, after you deliver, will give you a breastfeeding log, and it's really important to make sure you keep track of the feedings and the wet diapers and the bowel movements. And when you time a feeding, it's from the start of one feeding to the start of the next. Because a little bit's going in, a little bit comes out. We need 1 wet diaper and 1 bowel movement on day 1. Pretty much it goes by whatever day it is, that's how many wet diapers you're going to have. So on day 2, you're going to have 2 wet diapers and 2 bowel movements. Day 3, 3 wet diapers, 3 bowel movements.
Well, they said in the birthing class that the number of days up to 6 days is the number of diapers you're supposed to go through for wet diapers, I think. But I'm sure we'll go through twice as many thinking that they're wet and they're not really wet. So
by the end of the week, you should have 6 to 8 wet diapers and 4 or more yellow stools, and still maintaining those 8 to 12 feedings per day.